Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ChargePoint to find compatible EV chargers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred internet browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.chargepoint.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the website loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Make sure to check the credentials for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Sign In button. You will be logged into your ChargePoint account. After logging in, navigate to the Find Charging section on the homepage. Click on it to access the Charger Locator tool. You can search for nearby charging stations by entering your location in the search bar. If you have a specific vehicle model, use the filters to find compatible chargers. Select the filters to view chargers that match your electric vehicle specifications. The map will display various charging stations in your area. Click on any charging station for more details, including availability and compatibility. Review the information provided to ensure the charger meets your vehicle's requirements. You're now ready to choose a suitable charging station for your electric vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.